Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so meeting de adwoa searching and then the day the kanya ode ehwe me a mesro na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emi abel on so we be notification and sa ni news e de betum bia we benya bi atie anase we benya bi ahwe wo GCN page ha ababa we bia wo frɛ no Anita akeka na dwen e de akere eye Afia Schwarzenegger won sembia ode atudwa na ne nsem a okenya ne se Afia Schwarzenegger hypocrite entino okana nuntum wo Ghana ensensem ho titiru pa efa IMF His Excellency na Arodan Kwakufuado and afen so NPP4 omode Ghana for ye kono Afia Schwarzenegger enkana nuntum because hypocrite na adofudenti a Anita ekekana dwen de akere Afia Schwarzenegger nyina ne se program bi ekoso ewo UTV our friend United Showbiz na Nana Ama Mark Brown na host sa program no na last week ewo United Showbiz so no ensem bebre na ekoso na Afia Schwarzenegger de nasem anase ochre na dwen ewo program no so efa IMF His Excellency na Arodan Kwakufuado eko na emu na Afia Schwarzenegger kire se ye ka celebrities omo Ghana hanom a omo campaign ma His Excellency na Arodan Kwakufuado a ono Afia Schwarzenegger oka ho na ensema ekoso no kamia kwaye se Afia kire se why disappointed ewo His Excellency na Arodan Kwakufuado ni mu because of IMF na nado ediyen eko Afia kire se 2020 ye beka ya o campaign de ema na nado na amafu bebre trouble Afia Schwarzenegger say adenti na oye NDC ni na o campaign de ama NPP esan say NDC ewo position no nye sikenti ana Afia Schwarzenegger eba out eba explaining say dabi enye say oye NPP ni odaso ye NDC ni but the entire o campaign ama His Excellency na Arodan Kwakufuado na ne say o campaign ama adepa free SHS adepa abeboa oman Ghana titiri pa emofra omo etumi every street so eco school na kane no ye be hwe uko street so emofra bebre wo so sisi ekura teenage pregnancy eso ate esign His Excellency na Arodan Kwakufuado free SHS ode buy nti Afia kire se enu nti na enam so campaign de ema na nado because of free SHS nti ehiafo ema ebeko school obi a oni bianka osusu se ne ba entumi enko SHS no enam na nado nti abofra ko no betumi akọ school ne de enti na ode campaign ema na nado no na sisie kamia kwa ese niema enkoyie na nado de ye ko IMF say IMF na Afia HS na nado ede ye ko ne de enya de a eboa kra na Afia ede ensemwe atudwa no na Anita adey ebema comment ewase na yentie ensem a Anita ede atudwa ewabra Afia Schwarzenegger de nsem atudwa no Anita say and I quote, because of you same Afia sat on your Facebook page to say you won't pay levy. Where do you want the government to get revenue to support all the free things? Talk is indeed very cheap. Everywhere in the world we pay tax. Only in Ghana people don't want to pay tax. Why? Free SHS is a good policy, so you should have continued encourage people to contribute towards levy so that the government will continue his good policy. And some phone enti ebufusem enti Anita Afia Schwarzenegger anka we endorse free SHS a wo say ya de papa no na ka levy su bai wa endorse say because of free SHS nti na nado eboka nti yentu ayi levy se na be ye betumi na nado betumi anya sika de a support free SHS no but levy ne bai no you the same person sat on your Facebook page and then campaign against levy no. So where do you expect His Excellency and Arodan Kwakufuado to get money to support this good policy? And Afia Schwarzenegger Anita Ninsema or Kacho Inane say you the same person sat on your Facebook page and then destroyed levy no. Into that same and our canon into the same way and Anita so ede Emma Afia Schwarzenegger ewa brother sa campaign or they and seminar at Suja ewa United Showbiz I so last week you know.
This is a IMF and I'm in support it. Yeah, quite a day. Ya so ya physical na yete so. I mean, we've made to believe say it is Council. Yeah, sorry for Swana. Are we no longer sitting on money? Is that why we're going to IMF? Are we saying we are taking back our own words? The same na kind of sister. What was there? I don't make kind of TV swaka. Politicians now. Yeah, I could do what you know. I was some of my embarrassment allowance. I want to be massive free of charge. What a narrative you have to me na my say. I was some of my embarrassment allowance. Because I thought I am now bros. I am a minimum because to my best of knowledge, yet is Castle. No be then Papa said Kwame that's why then and Pastor Kobosia. What is Castle? We should be serious as a country.
No, if
and we should start holding these people accountable to their words. Now, we should start holding them accountable to their words.
But if you are this government, no can home. What can one say? I support you more.
Me support so many SHS. Me say I'm too no. Me support policy. Now I am a bit worried. Yeah, IMF no. What will happen to free SHS? Am I going to take back my words? Because I've said so many good things about the free SHS. And then Emma me call campaign and so Emma abai way. Say no. Yeah, this is IMF. Eba free SHS. One ra ye betwem. Not just one me ma be no. At once the me no. Ma be transfer. And try me plan here. Me package here. Me ni mo hwe. And so am there. Omo kwa IMF e di nyame ja omo nkonso e di nyame ja omo. But embarrassment allowance dey ya bete. Yeah, bro.
Ola. Ebe bo man so mo ye Arise Ghana demonstration. Mo ma yen hwe video we na wo hwe video we a wo be chema say grofo no e abodamfo ampa. Mo ma yen hwe the next video.
Boss, yeah blue. I saw you blue. Ghana company communist canal. How would you play? I don't go out to Ghana nation. I better go. I will call to the nation.
Where do you be?
Let me a dancer.
Where are they?
Dancer, my brother. But that's a minister of way. I'll be getting hearing at the standard boy. I'll get on Bobby, my brother. Already I am.
How many years in Wasa?
I got 15 years.
What's up for 15 years?
Yes.
How many years?
We got 29 years.
What 29 years? What's up 15 years?
Yes. Because I am for our grow. The neighbor.
It's Sama Yange. Yeah. It's really a man. Also, what's up for 50 years? I started in our salon. That's also what's up. It's what's up.
Oh my God, home.
I know what's up for 50 years. What's up for 50 years?
Don't have any more. I said in his car. I said in his car.
I said 50 years now. What's up? What's up?
Oh, Ghana. My taco do it. That's what I do. Daddy, no more. Obi, mamma's car. And the back.